So, as always, I forget to do something in the video. It's normally our outro, to be fair. I've done the outro in this video, but I've not done the intro. So
look at the top of his head!
So, hello, welcome to Farming Life, episode 13. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe now. Leave a like at the start of the video, because why not? You already know it's going to be excellent quality. In today's video, first thing we're doing is we're unloading hay bales up at Oldale with the Hurleyman loader tractor, and then we get an unexpected delivery. You'll have probably seen it in the thumbnail and title of the video. And then I think we're going, if I remember correctly, we are going to get a yowl that got out. So stick around for that. Let's get into it. Pressure's on really, because last time we got some hay in, put it in the building, 2 days later building burnt down, so pressure's on here really to not burn t'other farm down, because that would be greatly upsetting, because we think what happened last time is it hit some light and it caused a spark or whatnot, and then we turned it on and it just went boom. So don't put it any near any lights this time, Grandad. I'm not building down already, but apart from that I don't think we've hit any lights. Yeah, there we go, look at that, professionally done. What you just saw there was the last time you will ever see us using the loader tractor, because behind me we have a new one. Hey up, look at that. It looks similar, because it is similar. Still a Hurleyman. This thing has 90 horsepower instead of 70 like the other. Supposed to have a better loader. I don't know what the difference is really. Got a bacon. Got a better gearbox, wheel weights. Yeah, so we're going to take you around it now. Sorry, ignore the haircut. I haven't got anything. It's naff. But this tractor, I like it actually. I thought it'd be very much too similar to the other one, but the gearbox feels a lot smoother. It's a lot quieter, which it needed. There's a lot of you commenting it sounded like it lost, was it a fuel injection pump? Well, I would say this sounds much better, although it hasn't got the roar when you put full revs on like the old XA70 did. But I'd say a good little tractor this. Let's get on music, eh? As you can see, this video is sponsored by Tunstall Tractors, who supplied that tractor that you just saw, all of the tractors that you've ever seen on my channel, and pretty much all the machinery that you'll ever seen on my channel apart from my quad bike. We've been buying off them since 1983, which David Tunstall sold his first ever tractor to us, to my granddad, obviously not to me back then, and we've been buying off them ever since. So if you want, if you're interested in a Sammy, a Hurleyman, a Zeta, there's a McCormick there, really nice McCormick, some John Deere's, pretty much any tractor under the sun. If you're thinking of buying one, go and have a look at the website, which will be linked down below, and so will the Facebook. Go give the Facebook a like, and by supporting them you're supporting me, so that's greatly appreciated. Let's get on with the video. What we doing here, Grandad? You what? What we are doing here is we are picking up some sheep from a neighbour that are ours. We've got out. We've been looking for that hog for how long?
Oh, it got out some, I don't know, ages ago.
Hey!
And then this sheep should have been sold fat.
Should have been. Oh, that's useful.
I thought it had gone, this. I don't reckon that was option.
It's a nice little hog, really.
It is, yeah. Yeah, it's quite good. Sheep's in that, innit?
Yep.
Hey?
I'll bag it there or not?
You know, we'll find out.
So there we go. We've got a hog and a yow in there. It's the yow's in lamb, which we didn't want, to be honest. But we're gonna back up there, get out and leave. Well, after a bit of effort, we managed to get them in the building that they're supposed to be in. And a bit of an update on the building situation. We have a roof on one bit, there we go. A new bit there and there. Need all the water and electricity doing again. And then on the main bit, we've got, well, on the lean-to, we've got the roofing panelling up, not panelling, roofing stanchions and stuff. We had a bit of a mess with the middle one and whatnot. But we're getting on, we're cutting a hole in that wall. We're got a new door for there, getting a silo, like a bulk hopper, all sorts. It should be absolutely cracking. I don't know if it'll all be done before lambing time. We're hoping the roof might be on, but nothing else. We're fine with that. I think it's more than we expected. We wanted that to be done before lambing time, but we were fine with this because we can cope just about with just this building. But fun, a filled up day today, like unloading the hay, new tractor. There'll be a bit of that new tractor around, and get those new ship. But I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.